Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO Reno 7 and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. Mostly we are going to focus on the hidden features that we can find in this camera application. Okay, so at the first, you can just take photo by tapping on the screen like that, right? By tapping on the shutter button. But you can also do the same with the volume buttons. So when you click any of them once, you are going to take photo. When you click and hold your shutter, you can take the burst shot. One more time, 20 photos in a very short time. And the same when you click and hold volume up and volume down. So right now when you enter for the gallery and click in this place, let me enable the auto rotate. Okay, right now it looks better. So we can see this burst shots. That's the series of the photo, that's how we can call it. It looks like the series of the photo. Like very short video. Another, it's right here. If you want to select any of the photo, just click on it like that with this marker, click on this right upper corner. You can keep only these 3 selected photos, and there it is. Okay, let's go forward, and right now you can change the brightness level by using your normal photo or video mode. Take a look. You have to click on the screen once and then move this sun icon. So to adjust the brightness level, you don't have to open the Pro mode. You can make it straight in this default modes. It looks a little bit different on the camera, on the video mode I mean, as you can see, but it's also working. Right now we can go for the oh sorry, that was the mistake. We can take the photo with the more details, and you have to click in this place. So right now let's take 2 photos with the 64 megapixel mode and without. Let's take a look on this keyboard. That's how it looks in the normal mode, and then switch for the 64 megapixel, and there it is. As you can see, definitely more details, so we can zoom much closer. So yeah, that's how we can get more details. That's basically better quality on your photos with this 64 megapixel mode. You can enable it right here. Okay, and right now let's go for the settings. Let's stop right here, and as you can see, when we are here we can go for the shotting methods, and we can get other way to take photo. So we can enable option tap to capture. And right now when you click on the screen once, you will also take photo. And when you try to use your zoom feature, you can click once and take a look. You can zoom to the 20 times, and also you will find additional presets like 5x and 10x. Normally you can find only 2, 1 and the ultra wide lens. So yeah, that's how you can make it. For sure you can also adjust with the slider or pinching the screen with your 2 fingers. Okay, so actually that's all for the OPPO Reno 7 and hidden features that you can find in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.